What are you doing with your bears, Nate? Got all the bears? Now what? Now they go back in. Hi. Big bear, yeah. Do you remember what kind of bear? Little bear, yeah, that's right. Brown bear, that's right, bud. Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Yellow duck. New bear, okay. Blue horse, yes. I see a blue horse looking at me.